Hi guys, Simon here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check trending hashtags on Instagram. It's pretty easy guys, so let's get into it. Now first we open up our Instagram and I'll show you different options you have if you tap on the explore button or the search button at the bottom left. This will show you videos that are tailored to you, so the content you watch the most. Now if we tap this travel video, you can see that it has many plays, and when you scroll down you hashtags that people use to get their views. Now if I take a better example, you see on this Italy video we see travel Venice Italy, travel the world, European, Europe, and when we tap travel and we click on tags, you see that it has a lot of posts and it's number 1 in this list. The second one is travel photography. The third one is travel blogger. And the reason that travel blogger is number 3 and travelgram is number 4 is that it's more popular. So the hashtags that are at the top are the most popular. So when I search for a hashtag, for example sports, and you go to tags, then you see that sports betting has 2 million posts and sports car has 11 million posts. And sports betting is on number 3, so that is more trending at the moment. So that means that sports betting, the hashtag sports betting, is now trending at the moment, and that's the reason it's number 3 in this list. So that's how you know if a hashtag is trending at the moment and people click on it very often. Another way to do so is just search for trending hashtags on Google, and then you see a list of very popular Instagram hashtags for 2024. You can find these lists everywhere. For example, when I click on this website, it gives you very much options. For example, for best Instagram hashtags for likes and follows. And there we go. They give you a list of trending hashtags for likes and follows. So I hope this video was clear for you guys and hope to see you next time.